For those of you who own a Tri-5 Chevy and you're getting ready to order glass to replace either missing or stained or cracked glass, I'm going to give you a quick look at the glass that I received from a provider and how they packed it. All right, that's next here in the Shade Tree Garage. Welcome back to the channel, guys. And today we're going to take a look at the shipment of glass that I received a month or so back from a company called Auto City Classic. And they sell Tri-5 glass and other products for other makes and models and years. And but they sold the perfect package I needed for my wagon. Now, when I got it, it had a new windshield in it, so I don't need a windshield. Green tint with the shading across the top. It looks like brand new. And the now the passenger door, the vent window, well, you have to remember this glass is 70 years old. Now the passenger door had no glass in it. In fact, I found pieces of glass in the bottom of it. The regulator was jammed up at the very top of the door. The driver's side had a window and vent window, both tinted green, but the glass was cracked on the driver's window, and the vent window was showing its age as well. Now, on the wagon, my wagon is two-door. The rear side windows behind the driver and passenger are fixed. Interestingly enough, on the two-door wagon with fixed glass, the car has all of the holes necessary to mount tracks and regulator if you want roll-up and down windows. Now, I've considered that, but I've decided to go back with the fixed windows, which basically is a big pane of glass, and it's held in with a rubber gasket. And actually, the garnish molding on the inside is what helps hold that glass in place. So all I needed were the door glass for the doors and the rear quarter glass, they call it. Auto City Classics had the perfect package, and now this didn't come with any other accessories. It was glass only. So the total invoice for that, including shipping, was $234. Let me rearrange the camera a little bit so you can see the glass and the packaging. All right, guys, here's this is the box. Now, obviously, I've already opened it because I've removed one of the wing vents for my passenger side. So I cut the box open. I've removed some of the bubble wrap, but it was well padded. It had bubble wrap all around it. And now I would tell you, I was a little concerned some of the packing tape that secured, this is a lid, it had the lid secured. Some of that packing tape broke, the seal broke, but the box didn't open, of course. Inside the thin bubble wrap here, and let me see if I can throw it back far enough. This was where my passenger side wing vent was. This is the other wing vent. They're taped securely. Each pane of glass is wrapped in craft paper, and just to protect it from scratches. The wing vent is securely taped to it, and this is the whole package of glass. That's the wing vent. That was the wing vent, and that's bird dookie. All right, the first two layers are the door glass. The door glass is actually smaller. The bottom two pieces of glass are for the quarter window. So anyway, this is how it arrived, and it arrived safely and soundly. I'm trying to get all the glass in as soon as possible but I'm planning on using this car this spring, and I've got to get the glass in it. And after that, everything else is it's streetable after I get the glass in, and it's probably streetable with the glass out, but to pass a safety inspection by the sheriff's office. All right, that's it for the Shade Tree Garage this time. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Consider subscribing, and then in that way you'll keep track of progress on the 55 wagon as I get it ready for its inspection and get this baby out on the road. All right, see you next time here from the Shade Tree Garage.